In this video, let's learn the way that you change your PayPal phone number. Welcome back to a new video on Howgenic. If you want to add in a new number or change your existing one on PayPal, let me show you the process. So open up paypal.com and then log into your account. Once you're inside of your account, in order to change your number, you need to click on the settings icon, which is this gear icon on the top right. Whether you have a personal account or a business account, it's going to be the same process. Inside of the profile section under accounts, you'll be able to see the option called phone number. Right here, you can click on change. It says right here to change a primary phone number, you'll need to add a new one and make that your primary. So if you want to remove the existing phone number and change it to a new one, click on add new. Add in the new phone number that you like, click on add phone number. This way a code will be sent to your previous phone number which you'll need to enter in. Only that way your previous phone number will be changed and your new phone number will be added to the primary list. So if you don't have access to your old phone number, you won't be able to change it and add in a new one. Other than this, what you can do is add in more numbers. If you click on the add option on the top, instead of removing the previous one, you'll need to add in a new phone number. Click on add phone number and then same as previously, you'll receive a code on the new number that you added in. Just add in the code and the new number will be added in on this section. So that's all it takes in changing the phone number on PayPal. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.